In real numbers, we know that a square root must be non-negative. So we'll write here should be greater than or equal to 0. Here also we'll write must be non-negative. So greater than or equal to 0. Sum of two non-negative numbers must be non-negative number. So we will write 2x plus 2 must be non-negative number. After dividing by 2, we are going to write x plus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. So from here we'll get one condition on x. X should be greater than or equal to negative 1. Now we are going to factor our radicands. X square minus 1 and 2x square plus 8x plus 6. We'll split our middle term 8x as 2x plus 6x. We have plus 6. Now from first two terms we can take 2x common. So in the bracket there will be x plus 1. From next two terms, if we will take 6 common, we need to write x plus 1 once again. Now x plus 1 is overall common. We'll write x plus 1 times 2x plus 6. Now we have another radicand x square minus 1, which we can write x square minus 1 square. Using difference of two squares formula, we can write x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now we will rewrite our equation. Square root of x plus 1 times 2x plus 6 plus square root of x plus 1 times x minus 1 equal to 2 is common. In the bracket we'll write x plus 1. Now there is condition on x. X plus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. So we can go for one radicand property. Square root AB can be written as square root A times square root B. Here A, B are positive numbers. So as per our condition, we will write equation square root x plus 1 times square root 2x plus 6 plus square root x plus 1 times square root x minus 1 equal to 2 times square root x plus 1 whole square. Now we will take all the terms to LHS. We will write square root x plus 1 times square root 2x plus 6 plus square root x plus 1 times square root x minus 1 minus 2 times square root x plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Now we can take square root x plus 1 common. We will write here square root x plus 1 is common. In other bracket, we will write square root 2x plus 6 plus square root x minus 1 minus 2 times square root x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we'll use product 0 rule. So we can write two equations from here. Either square root x plus 1 will be equal to 0 or square root 2x plus 6 plus square root x minus 1 minus 2 times square root x plus 1 will be equal to 0. So we have to solve these two equations. So let us begin with first equation. Square root x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we'll be squaring both sides. We'll cancel square root with square. and we can write x plus 1 will be equal to 0. So from here we will get x equal to minus 1. Now we will consider second equation is square root 2x plus 6 plus square root x minus 1 will be equal to 2 times square root of x plus 1. Now we have square roots on both the sides. So let us consider squaring both sides to eliminate square roots. Now we are going to use a plus b whole square formula over here. So we will get square of square root 2x plus 6 is 2x plus 6 plus square of square root x minus 1, we'll write x minus 1 plus 2 times square root of, will multiply 2x plus 6 with x minus 1. And in RHS, square of 2 is 4 and square of square root x plus 1 will be x plus 1. 2x plus x is 3x, 6 minus 1 is 5 plus 2 times square root of 2x times x is 2x square, 2x times minus 1 is minus 2x, 6 times x is 6x, 6x minus 2x is 4x, 6 times minus 1 is minus 6 equal to 4x plus 4. Now we will take these two terms to the RHS. So we will get 2 times square root of 2x square plus 4x minus 6 equal to x, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Now we'll be squaring as we have a square root on one side. Let me write equation here. 2 times square root of 2x square plus 4x minus 6 equal to x minus 1. Now we'll be squaring both sides. Let's put part 2 here and part 2 in RHS. We'll be using a minus b whole square formula in right hand side. And in LHS, 2 square is 4. Square root square is square root free term. So we will write 2x square plus 4x minus 6. And in RHS, we can write x square minus 2x plus 1. Now we will expand our LHS. 8x square plus 16x minus 24 will be equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. We'll take all the terms to left hand side. 8x square minus x square is 7x square. 16x plus 2x is 18x. Minus 24 minus 1 is minus 25 equal to 0. Now this is again one quadratic equation. We are going to use factorization method. So we can split our middle term. So I will write 7x square. 18x can be written as minus 7x plus 25x. Then we have minus 25 equal to 0. Now from first two terms we can take 7x common. So in the bracket there will be x minus 1. Here we'll take 25 common. We'll write x minus 1 in the bracket equal to 0. Now we'll take x minus 1 over all common. So we will get x minus 1 times 7x plus 25 equal to 0. Again we have to use product 0 rule. So we'll write either x minus 1 equal to 0 or 7x plus 25 equal to 0. From our first equation, by adding 1 to both sides, we will get x equal to 1. And from our second equation, we'll get 7x equal to minus 25 just by subtracting 25 both sides. Now we have to divide by 7 both sides. We are going to get x value minus 25 over 7. And there is one condition on x. X should be greater than or equal to minus 1. Here we have number which is not greater than minus 1. On this ground, we are going to reject this solution. So we will write rejected. So we have two solutions. If I will write here, x will be equal to plus minus 1. Now we can verify our solutions. So I will write here check. Let's begin with x equal to plus 1. Here we have LHS and here we have RHS. So I will write LHS first. X equal to 1. We will write a square root of 2 times 1 square is 2. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 6 plus square root of 1 square is 1 minus 1. We will get square root of 16 plus 0. Square root 16 is 4 plus 0. LHS will be 4. Now we will find RHS. So let me write here RHS. RHS is 2x plus 2. We'll write 2 times x is 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 will be getting RHS 4. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 1 is true. Now we will verify x equal to negative 1. So let's begin with left hand side. Square root 2x square. We'll write here 2 times minus 1 square is plus 1. So 2 times plus 1 is 2. 8 times minus 1 is minus 8 plus 6. Plus square root of minus 1 square is 1 minus 1. So 6 plus 2 is 8. We are going to get here 0. Plus square root 1 minus 1 will be 0. So our LHS is 0. Now the turn of finding RHS. We have 2x plus 2x is minus 1. We'll write 2 times minus 1 plus 2, which will be equal to minus 2 plus 2. We are going to get 0, which is same as LHS. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution minus 1 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.